G'day legends, Dale here. Today we're tackling a true Aussie icon, the steak Sanga. We're going all out with all the classic fixings. This is proper home cooking that will rival any pub feed. For this masterpiece, you'll need some thick white bread, butter, your favourite smoky barbecue sauce, fresh lettuce and tomato, some classic beetroot slices, quality minute steak, good old bacon, an onion, and some cheese slices that can melt beautifully. First up, let's start with our salad prep. Today we are using two types of onion. Fresh red onion cut brunoise, which contributes a sharp pungent flavour that complements the richness of the steak and other sandwich components. Check out the brunoise tutorial for a closer look. And brown onion, which we'll look at further into the video. After dicing the red onion, start to slice the vine-ripened tomatoes to your preferred thickness. And don't forget to season the tomato slices. Next, depending on your preferred lettuce, cut and clean your salad leaves, thoroughly removing any dirt and debris. These metallic flecks are known as vermiculite, which is considered non-toxic and does not pose a health risk. But it's always better to remove all contaminants from your food. Okay, so let's get our onions going. Sweet and tangy, our caramelized onions are slow cooked until deeply golden, then deglazed with balsamic vinegar for a rich, sweet and sour kick that perfectly complements your steak Sanga. We'll start by slicing them up. We're doing what some call is an Asian cut, basically slicing lengthways following the lines of the onion from pole to pole. This helps them break down nicely while keeping some texture. Try to aim for even cuts. Throw on a splash of oil and melt a generous knob of butter over medium heat. In go the onions. We're just gently sauteing these now, stirring occasionally until they soften and turn translucent. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep the heat gentle. Once they're soft, sprinkle over the brown sugar, as this will help speed up that beautiful caramelization process. See those brown bits sticking to the bottom of the pan? That's flavour. Deglaze with a splash of red wine, stirring until mostly evaporated. Now add some balsamic vinegar, and again stir until mostly evaporated. Next, the foundation of our steak Sanga, our bread. Brush those thick slices with some softened butter and get them onto a hot grill or flat top until they're golden and toasty. Then in the same pan, sear your steak until it's perfectly cooked. Get that pan nice and hot. Season your steak generously with salt and pepper, and cook your steak quickly. It's called minute steak for a reason. Just a minute or two on each side should do it for medium, depending on thickness. Let it rest for a couple of minutes. And finally, let's get that bacon on the go. Cook it in a pan until it's golden and super crispy, or however you prefer. Okay, assembly time. Start with the slice of that glorious toast. Barbecue sauce first, then a bed of lettuce. Your seasoned tomato slices. Don't forget to season your tomatoes. Beetroot. And then that juicy steak. Pile on the crispy bacon, our sweet fried onions. A sprinkle of fresh red onions. And a slice of cheese. A bit more barbecue sauce on top, and crown it with the other piece of toast. Give it a gentle press. You might even want to skewer it to hold this beauty together. Look at that. A restaurant quality steak Sanga made right. Delicious. That's an easy recipe of pure joy. Thanks for watching.